Hello, my name is Jason. I've been on the Stop and Regrow hair regrowth program for just over 2 years, and I wanted to go over what works for me and how I am successful and the regrowth I've achieved. Starts off with my hair capsule that comes from a custom pharmacy based specifically for me from a compounding pharmacy based on my biochemical report card. I take 1 capsule per day at the same time. For me, it's in the afternoon. The second part is the topical, which is like liquid gold. So I used to have some very difficult areas with problems in my zones in the temple and in the crown. So with my hair regrow topical, it's very important as well to shake this topical well. And once per day, I do between 1 and 1.5 pumps to my problem area, to the scalp, not to the hair, as you can see. And if you look closely, if you look deeper to my scalp, my crown area, you'll see the regrowth. And for me, it is unbelievable the thickness and the speed of this topical. So I cannot endorse Dr. Nettles and the Stop and Regrow program enough, not only for hair regrowth, but for increased energy, vitality, and an overall better quality of life. If you have any questions or concerns, go to stopandregrow.com, book a consultation with Jason, and I'd be happy to go over all the details. Have a wonderful day.